Got it. Do you have a member to staff ratio they like to work with, or?
In Florida, we're required to have one of 1 to 6.
Wow.
But that doesn't. But that's not entirely activities, right? Like, that's like the whole staff of like a 1 to 6 ratio that
The
are
kitchen
supporting you.
staff and the front desk, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. But I'm saying, but like, I would say to some degree, everyone participates in the activity portion of what we do. Um,
Right.
like, I mean, if our kitchen person's, if that team is busy during meal times, and really our biggest meal times lunch, and then we have a snack in the afternoon. But if that person's busy, like, then, like, obviously they're focused on lunch, but let's say like they've completed that part of it. Now, is there moments where they might come and engage, and be part of the engagement team, when they're no longer in charge of that part of it? Because, like, at some point, everyone has to be in charge of engagement, because there can't be any downtime. Like, even before people are leaving to get on transportation, there's no downtime. We're doing a game. Like, we're pulling someone from a game to help them get on a bus, but they're still playing the game up to the time they leave.
Like, I don't want to leave.
Exactly.
Why take me home?
Right, exactly. Dude, I almost won. I was just about to crush him. Like, yeah. But I think that's the way you're gonna, like, at least keep retention, like, and solve the retention problem.
Yeah.
Because like, if you could think, like, you want everyone just coming back, like, man, I don't even know what I did today, but I had fun. Like, they go home happy. They're like, I don't know where I went, but it was great. And that's a feeling, and so how do I create that feeling? But it really comes down to intentional engagement. And I would say, like, I can't tell you how much, like, if I walk in the place and the team's, like, huddled in the corner and they're maybe planning something there, it's like, no, like, pull two people aside, like, all right, everyone else needs to be engaging everyone else while you guys go talk about what you're gonna do next. We don't need everyone talking about it. So it's like, it really has to be intentional when it comes to engagement as well.
Mm-hmm.
Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click here. We'll see you guys next time.